This has been a highly requested video, so I'm going to drop test our new marble watch, the Navagio. I just got this one out of the packaging. Here's the marble on it. It's still wrapped in all of our plastic. Like I said, I just pulled it out. And we're going to drop test it. We're going up to about 60 inches, so we'll see how it goes. I'm going to remove the plastic covering from the top, just so you guys can see what the glass actually does when it gets dropped. All right, we're gonna start at 24 inches. So, drop it at face down. Here's the watch. Just a little dust on it, just from my floor. And then smear mark because I wiped it with my finger. Overall, solid. All right, we're gonna do 36, and then we're gonna go ahead and go to 60, just so this video is not super long. 36. Again, no cracks, just like I figured it would. And now let's do the last one. All right, this last one we're gonna go ahead and do. My fridge is 62 inches, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. Bonus, I'm actually wearing this watch right now. Here's the test one. Hopefully you guys can see this. 62. All right, my fridge is looking like it's sitting at like 62, so we'll go ahead and drop that next. So, if you guys can see this. It actually looks really good. We did use a new type of glass for this watch, so I kind of figured it would do well. I'm looking to see if I can find any scratches. I don't think I see anything. I just see a lot of designs from the actual marble. You guys might think that I'm using a different watch right here, but that's just the one I have on. As you can tell, they have completely different marble patterns, just because we use actual marble. So you can double check that this is the same watch used every time. Overall, looks good. So the marble collection did pass the drop test. I will not be selling this specific watch, as just because I took the plastic covering off and it's kind of been not damaged, but it's been used, so I don't want to sell it to somebody. So there's the drop test of our Navagio.